In this short clip, I will show you how to buy shares of Cellnex Telecom SA. Cellnex is a European telecom infrastructure operator listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CLNX.MC, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To place trades, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CLNX.MC to find Cellnex Telecom SA. Make sure you select the listing that matches the CBOE EU exchange to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will find a concise company profile and a price chart for CLNX.MC. Double-check the company name and exchange to confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. To buy, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps shown here.